Looking for a powerhouse PC designed for productivity and performance? Meet the Dell OptiPlex 7020 Tower Plus, a machine that redefines efficiency in the modern workspace. Straight out of the box, the Dell OptiPlex 7020 Tower Plus comes with a sleek design, built to fit seamlessly into any professional environment. Let's dive into the specs. This beast is powered by the Intel Core i7-14700V Pro processor with 20 cores and 28 threads, reaching speeds up to 5.4 GHz turbo. Whether you're multitasking, crunching data, or editing videos, this machine handles it all with ease. It's equipped with 32 GB of DDR5 memory, enough to handle the most demanding applications effortlessly. And for storage, you get a fast 512 GB PCIe NVMe SSD, ensuring quick boot times and file access. The Dell OptiPlex 7020 runs on Windows 11 Pro, offering a smooth and intuitive user experience tailored for productivity. Paired with Intel graphics, it's perfect for everyday tasks, presentations, and live media work. Durability is a highlight with Dell's basic on-site service for 36 months, giving you peace of mind with hardware-only support and prompt solutions for your tech needs. The Dell Pro wireless keyboard and mouse included in the package complete the experience, offering a smooth and responsive typing and navigation setup. Whether you're running a business, creating content, or simply need a reliable machine for daily tasks, the Dell OptiPlex 7020 delivers the performance, reliability, and support you need, all in one package. Ready to upgrade your workspace? The Dell OptiPlex 7020 Tower Plus PC is available now. Check the link in the description for more details and pricing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews.